Hey, it's Kay, and today we will be taking apart and reassembling the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro nail drill. First, disconnect the handpiece and set the unit to the side. Next, we will remove the mandrel bit. This one came with the drill and it has a little gem at the top. Now we can take apart the handpiece. First, you will grab the very top and twist it counterclockwise until it is removed. A piece will come off inside of it, so be careful. Once you've set the first two pieces to the side, proceed with caution. This is what could happen if you go too fast. There are two metal balls inside, so be prepared to catch their fall. If not, you'll have to purchase two 2.5mm stainless steel balls. If you use your nail drill daily, now's the time to clean it. Dust accumulates pretty fast, especially if you do use it every day. These are the two places I find the most dust. You can clean this last part with a Q-tip soaked in isopropyl alcohol. Now's the time to put the handpiece back together. First, you'll insert the coil. Next, insert this piece in the direction that I have it placed. This next part is easier to understand if you understand the locking mechanism. This is where we will insert our two stainless steel balls. As you can see, there's a little notch on the inside that moves up and down as the handpiece itself is locked and unlocked. This piece has a notch to make sure the balls can slide through. Place the stainless steel balls into the little space and make sure they are secure by pushing it just a tiny bit. Make sure they're secure on both sides as to not lose the stainless steel balls. Next, you're going to take the final piece and make sure that the arrow matches up with the unlock symbol. Make sure the piece can lock and unlock when you're done. If it does not smoothly lock and unlock, take it apart and try it again. If your pieces become locked up, do not use excessive force or you may risk breaking the handpiece. Place this connective piece in the direction and position that I have, and then connect these two pieces together. It may look wobbly, but once you secure the last piece, it will stay in place. If you choose to test the handpiece now, make sure it's in the locked position first. I'm actually going to insert the mandrel to test my handpiece. If your mandrel bit is not warped or distorted, it should smoothly rotate without any noise. If I helped you put together your Kiara Sky handpiece, like and subscribe.